welcome to Cooking with Karyss. Today I'm going to be cooking with my friend Gregor. He is going to be helping me make a smoothie. Meet Gregor.
Yes, hello. Hi, my name is Gregor. I'm so glad to be on your show, upping your ratings for you. Don't know what to say to that? I know, I get this all the time. Speechless are the words that don't come out of people's mouths. The apples look delicious. I would love to sample the apples. They are so yummy.
We also have some frozen blueberries.
Frozen blueberries. They sound delicious. My chin loves them too. Okay, let's put some oats in there. Grab the oats, and we just dump them in. All of them?
Yes.
Every single last one.
Yes.
Well, are we sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's a lot of oats. I guess we don't need that container anymore. We could just throw it away. Yep, okay. I like to mix my apples with my blueberries, as you can see. I'm going to let that apple marinate while I grab some more apples. We just put these in here.
Yep,
Okay.
that's good.
There's the bananas. We got a whole bunch of bananas. I take it we're going to have to open one? Okay, let's open a banana. You're right. This is delicious. We should definitely put it in. Coconut popsicles. I love me some coconut popsicles. I definitely think that I don't need that box anymore. But oh man, they've wrapped this up too. I see if I can. With my strength, I open the plastic. Good thing I work out because otherwise I not have strength to do that. That looks, you know what? It's a little messy.
Break it up.
Break it up. Okay, we're just going to take the stick out. Okay, what are we doing with that? We're just putting it in? Smash it with the stick. I smash it with the stick. I'm very strong with the smashing. I just put it right in there and stab it, stab it, stab it. Oh yeah, there we go. We broke it all up. That looks really, really good.
And grab some yogurt.
Yogurt. What a delicious thing to put inside. I'll get the yogurt. Oh, that was heavy. Okay, we're just going to open it up. With the lid, I just got to take it off, and there we go. Oh, that was tough. All right.
All right, so grab the spoon.
Grab the spoon. Yes. Okay, yes, I see it. It's up there past the banana. I'm just going to slowly sneak up on it so that no one knows I'm coming. Okay? I've got the spoon.
Now you're gonna take
One scoop. Okay, one scoop, and we're putting it in. Go ahead, one scoop, and I just lift it up. And I put it right in there. That's good. I think we need another scoop. Let's get another scoop. You know what we didn't do? We didn't taste the yogurt. What if it's bad?
Oh, no, it's good.
I'm just going to make sure this yogurt's not bad. I don't think that yogurt's bad. It's good. It's good yogurt. I'm going to just put the bag down.
Almond milk. I think I should.
You think you should put... No, give that to me. I am the guest here. I am really good with this of the pouring it in. I'm just going to set this cap down somewhere. That's a good spot. Let me turn it on. Okay, let me find the right button. Yep, that one's on. We turn it on. Okay, yes, that. Oh, the one that says on. That would make sense. No, I think it's on. I'm pretty sure the light's there. All right. And we mix it. Yeah, Yeah, that one. Whoa, do it again. Do it again. All right. I think these are good and mixed. I'm going to lift it. Nice and heavy. Oh, yeah, let's put it down on the table. Come on, lift it and down on the table. I'm going to... Oh, man. Wow, I thought that I do workouts. You cooking, man, this is tough. Okay, that was like lifting 5-pound tons. We are going to pour it right in this one. Don't worry, we've got enough. And I'm going to top it off. I topped it off just for you.
That's good. Smoothies isn't really my thing, but this turned out good.
That's delicious. You know what? I think smoothies are going to be my thing. I'm a little messy. Can you hand me the paper towels? Yes. Okay, we're being conservative with the paper towels. I guess I understand that because, you know, this could become toilet paper when all the toilet paper in the world runs out. So, I'm going to wipe my face. Yes, let's wipe my face. And my other side of the face, sometimes that's messy too. You know what? I can wipe my hands now. This has been such a wonderful experience. Thank you so much for having me on this show.
Thank you guys for watching another video of Cooking for Karyss. We have...
Got an itch on my face. I've got to scratch it. Hold on. Yes, thank you. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah, that feels so good.
We have some
Oh, sorry.
apples.